In order to suppress the use of the quantity of imported product and encourage the growth of the domestic industry, in particular the metal industry, the Ministry of Industry has run one of the strategic programs, namely to increase the use of domestic product or P3DN. P3DN program is a government effort to encourage the community and business entities in order to prefer the use of domestic products, so as to empower the domestic industry, safeguarding the domestic markets, reducing dependence on imported products, and increase the value added in the country. One form is to require government agencies to maximize the use of domestic products, the procurement of goods or services, which are financed by the state budget revenues and expenditures or regional budget revenue and expenditure. The issuance of Law No. 3 of 2014 about the industry is expected to be a solution. Article 85 to Article 90 in the Law on Industry states that domestic products shall be used by state institutions, ministries, non-ministerial government agencies, and regional work units in the procurement of goods or services.
Pertumbuhan industri logam, mesin, alat transportasi, dan elektronika pada tahun 2015 diperkirakan mencapai 5,11% dan ditargetkan akan meningkat menjadi 6,6% pada tahun 2016. Penambahan investasi industri logam, mesin, alat transportasi, dan elektronika pada tahun 2015 diperkirakan mencapai 71 triliun rupiah dan ditargetkan akan meningkat menjadi 101 triliun rupiah pada tahun 2016. Dengan tidak adanya tarif bea masuk akibat dari kesepakatan-kesepakatan regional dan internasional, maka pemerintah dituntut untuk tetap dapat menjaga iklim investasi, khususnya bagi investasi industri penghasil barang modal. Saat ini, melalui penerapan non-tarif barrier berupa penerapan SNI wajib, serta program peningkatan produk dalam negeri, pemerintah berupaya agar iklim investasi di bidang industri penghasil barang modal tetap dapat dijaga selalu kondusif. Pemerintah menggalakkan apa yang disebut dengan peningkatan penggunaan produk dalam negeri atau yang sering disebut dengan P3DN. Program P3DN adalah upaya pemerintah untuk menjaga iklim investasi agar investasi penghasil barang modal tetap dapat ditingkatkan dan menciptakan lapangan kerja bagi anak-anak muda di Indonesia. Industri logam sebagai industri dasar yang menunjang produksi barang modal memiliki peranan yang sangat besar terhadap pengembangan industri nasional, di mana lebih dari 85% komponen utama peralatan atau mesin yang dipergunakan untuk kegiatan industri disuplai oleh industri logam.
On the one hand, it becomes a challenge, but on the other hand, it is also an opportunity for Indonesia. The government, through the Directorate General of Metal, Machinery, Means of Transportation and Electronics Industry, is now developing the metal industry based on local resources. Potential raw materials are abundant in the country. It becomes a great opportunity to improve product competitiveness. In the upstream, Indonesia has a strong capital base in the form of abundant natural resources, with more than 5 billion tons of iron ore resources and proven reserves of 71 million tons. Indonesia's steel production reached 6.8 million tons, with a projected consumption of 70 kilograms per capita. In 2025, it is ascertained that steel demand will reach 20 million tons. Bauxite resources of about 838.9 million tons and proven reserves of 152 million tons. In 2014, the production of aluminium in Indonesia was about 250,000 tons. It is projected by 2025 we will require additional production reaching 3.1 million tons. Similarly, opportunities in other mineral metals such as nickel and copper, which could make Indonesia a champion.
Kami PT Gunung Garuda Group sangat mendukung program P3DN. 3DN profil baja sudah capai 34%.
It is not enough just in upstream. Indonesia also has to develop the ability of a downstream metal industry if we do not want to be guests in our own country. It is time the Indonesian people know more about the ability of the metal industry in the country, which is not less competitive compared to other countries, so that they realize the importance of using domestic products to advance the national metal industry. Come on, use the Indonesian products.